Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to boost your confidence and start 2025 with a powerful mindset. Confidence is the key to unlocking your potential and achieving your dreams. Begin by setting small, achievable goals that will build your confidence step by step. Each small victory will pave the way for bigger accomplishments. Remember, confidence is not about being perfect. It's about believing in your ability to improve and grow. Start by setting small, achievable goals. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Remember, the only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Surround yourself with positivity and take action every day. Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow and learn. Let's embark on this journey together and make 2025 your best year yet. With determination and the right mindset, anything is possible. Confidence comes from doing things. It's a journey, not a destination. It's like the chicken and egg paradox. When I first started public speaking, I was terrified. My heart would race, and my palms would sweat. You can gain confidence from doing things, like practicing in front of a mirror or a small group. These small steps can make a big difference. And doing things takes some confidence. I remember my first speech. My hands were shaking, and my voice was trembling. Lean towards doing things over and over again to build up confidence. Each time I spoke, I felt a bit more at ease. Over time, I noticed my confidence growing, and I started to enjoy the process. Welcome to your 30-day confidence challenge. Day 1. Introduce yourself to a stranger. Day 2. Share your opinion in a group discussion. Day 3. Try a new hobby or activity. Day 4. Give a compliment to someone. Day 5. Reflect on your progress and keep going. Other quick tips. Invest in self-care. Learn every day and stay curious. Set small goals that you are able to achieve and build momentum. Celebrate each success, no matter how small. Seek advice from experts in your field, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Collaboration can lead to new insights and growth. Listen to success stories to stay motivated and inspired. Surround yourself with positivity and learn from others' journeys. Start 2025 strong and confident. Believe in yourself and take action.